Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to change the background of any video on your mobile phone without needing a green screen. Want to add a professional backdrop to a video shot in a normal room? This tutorial will guide you through the process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to replace the background of any video with any picture using just your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, search for the Spring app on the Play Store and install it. Once installed, open the app and click on Create New. Select the video you want to edit and the background picture you want to use. You can extend the duration of the picture by dragging it. Next, go to the Overlay option and select the video you want to remove the background from. Place the video on top of the background picture and select it. Scroll down and click on the Magic Remover option. This will carefully remove the background of your video. Please wait patiently without switching apps or scrolling down. The processing time depends on your phone's capability. Once done, review your video to ensure it's perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. What would you like to learn next? Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback and suggestions help us create more content that you'll love. Thanks for watching.